Hey, Rooted in Faith family. This is your girl Margaret in Zone 7A in St. Louis, Missouri. And I am out here in the garden doing kind of non-garden tasks. There's kind of a lot of things that need to be done. But one of the things I mentioned the other day is that I kept saying I needed to get a harvest um, bucket or bag or something. However, I realized this, this is my harvest basket that I have been transporting my things uh back and forth from in the house. So I went online maybe yesterday, day before, I don't know, and ordered myself a garden bag so that I can use this for what it was intended for. And my husband said to me, he said, "You gotta harvest bucket." I bought it, which he did. He bought it last year. And I was like, nah, no. Yes, I do. So this is the unboxing of my new garden bag. Okay, okay. I think it's so there's a shoulder strap, and then there are these wire I'm gonna call them brackets because I don't know what they are, but when I was looking at bags yesterday, so you push these down in the basket to make the basket stand up. Ouch. Nope. So, oh yeah, and this got outside pockets. It has this carry handles plus a strap. So this is the new basket, and this will be used for what it's intended for. Okay. So we're gonna take advantage of these um, outside pockets, all these different varieties of gloves that I have. Yeah, those need to be washed. Is that what I just had on? Nope. So it's a couple dirty pairs of gloves in here is what I'm understanding. Yes, doesn't bother. Okay, and I had these nice pair of scissors in here. I don't remember why I had. Oh, I was gonna add that to the this peppermint oil. I was gonna add that to the neem oil. Uh, that's the bag from the vegetable drying thingamajiggy. Those are my alcohol wipes because I'm trying to be better about cleaning my tools when I'm done. These are the seeds of things that I've planted. Where are we going to put that? We can put that here until I put them where they belong. My sunscreen, extra gloves. Oh, these are extra pieces to my sprayer. That's I think an apron to the kit that my daughter bought me for Mother's Day. Extra tools that I haven't used yet. Is there another pocket? There is. This is very roomy. Oh, and then I forgot. So this is the other thing I saw. This little strap here will hold your things in there so they don't flop out. So yay! My mosquito cream. Um, Instructions from another sprayer. Instructions to my cordless drill I bought last year when I jammed my finger. Ooh. Zip ties. This is very spacious, much bigger than what I had last year. Okay, where's the bag of bags? Did it blow away? Okay, this is gonna be trash. Oh, I put it on the outside of there. See? And these are seeds, hot peppers. I don't know what that is because somebody else labeled that because that's not even my handwriting. Um, but that's the box for the seeds. So now harvest basket. Yay! Okay. I'm gonna keep this just in case I decide to use it. This is very spacious. Like it, like it, like it. And we'll put the strap in here somewhere in case I decide to use it. And then on the inside, it has elastic holders that will hold your things up. So this is a win. Yes, love it, love it. So now I can use my things for what they were really intended for. And I'll probably use it today because I know that I have some peppers that I need to harvest. Oh, and this fits down in there so I can carry this all in one. Yay, look at that. It fits down in there so I can carry that all in one. So we have a win today. We have a win. So Rooted in Faith family, be great. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.